Head relax. Breathe in. Breathing out. Neck relax. Breathing in. Breathing out. Shoulder relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Chest relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Abdomen relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Whole body relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Arms, hands, fingers relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. So relax your hip, your legs, your feet, your toes. Relax. Breathe in. Breathing out. So relax the body, head level, tongue on top of the palate. Say breathe in. Breathing out. Nose breathing. Breathe in. Breathing out. You can think about energy in the hand. Feel them. Breathe in. Stand up the hand. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. So we can enjoy the feeling of the energy around the head. And then breathe in. Breathe out. So to the other side, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. That's nice. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. So these warm-up movements will help you to feel more energy when you do your Tai Chi. Breathe in. Breathing out. Breathe in. Breathing. Nice. Say we move the hand up and down a little bit. It might help to feel something more. Nice. So relax hand. Say we open leg, just shoulder width. Just relax, right? You don't have to be too formal or something, just relax, okay. Not comfortable, then you move a little bit before you do, right? It's a warm up, right? So if I open the leg, left leg to the left, so then the head will be between the two legs. Head is level. So I raise the hand. So when I raise the hand, it's like the joints, all the joints moving one at a time. So this is something to pay attention to. It's nice now. Nice. So if we have two arms up, down, then you can think about the energy under the hand. Breathe in. Usually the arms can be about shoulder height, down. So we can think about earth energy. Like earth energy is below. So when you move the hand, you can actually try to feel below energy. That's cute, right? Below. And then sometimes you can also think about sky energy. So let's do it again. Breathe in. Now think about the sky energy. Breathe out. Now think about earth energy. Breathe in. Sky energy. Earth energy. Sky energy. So as a lady, then we are in the middle, right? So you have the sky, you have the earth, and you are right there. So you just become part of the universe, right? That's what universe is about. So let's practice how to change body height. So once we raise arm, okay, when we bend knee, bring the arms down, okay? And then we try to maintain the body to this height. Throughout the form, keep it to this height. So if some people, you will see them, they are very, go very down. So they also try to do the same height throughout a form of a Tai Chi. So when you move the arms, you can always try to feel around the hand when you're moving it. Can you sense what's in the air? Do you feel anything in the air? You know, when you move, can you feel something in the air? Yeah. It's like everything you move, the energy is around, and then it's very enjoyable. So moving the Qi, there's a Qi here. So the hand is facing the other hand. And then see if you feel the energy between the hand, you know, feel the energy between the hand. So, that's awesome, right? So when you lift the leg, can you think about earth energy? Okay. It's almost like when the leg ground, there's energy ground to the feet, to the earth too, right? Breathe in and out. Breathe in. So it's like you see if we can feel the energy in the leg. And then when we ground, can we feel something in the leg? So usually we are so concerned with how the arm's doing and don't think about the leg. But when you become very fluent with the form, in any form, right? So everything can be a lot more meaningful than what you first started, right? So it's very interesting. When you lift the leg, what do you feel? Do I feel anything? Do I feel something? Eventually, maybe you will. But if you go into practicing Qi Gong with us, then your senses will be improved more. Because we are not doing traditional Tai Chi, we are doing Qi Gong, but we just enjoy some Tai Chi movements so that we can actually also get benefit of Tai Chi. Now let's try again, right? Now first open the leg, okay. So if we're doing our wave in hands in the cloud, wave. So the hands in the cloud, like this, okay. So you put the weight on the right side, okay. And then you get ready to bring your left leg up. So let's pay some attention to the energy of the leg now. And relax energy to the floor too as you ground your leg. Breathe in, getting ready, and breathe in, okay, breathe in, So we can keep going back as a practice. So breathe in. Energy is a hobby to me. Qi is a hobby. We just want to enjoy the energy. That's why we're interested to do healing work, because that's also a hobby to want to do energy medicine, really using Qi to do something good about our health and plus the health of other people too. So we call that Fa Qi. Fa means give, Qi. So we don't give our own Qi, but it is a kind of giving love. So let's have fun, right? So if you lift the leg, okay, breathe in. So we drop the arms, open the leg. So we will be putting the weight to the left leg. And then we gather energy here. It's not just closing the door. So when we move the arms, we want to feel all the energy everywhere. And then we bring them to ourselves. So when I drop the arms, I can be shifting my weight. But every time I'm collecting arms, like closing the door in the Tai Chi terms, I am actually bringing good energy to me.